Hello everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL. And the question that we are going to solve today is April admin employees, and today is day 20 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So this question got asked in Microsoft and Amazon. So let's quickly see what is the question. So the question is, find the number of employees working in admin department that join in April or later. So let's see the table so that we can understand better. So this is the table worker. Select star from. Okay, this is the table worker and we have these columns, that is worker ID, first name, last name, salary, joining date and department. So what we have to do here, we have to only select those employees working in admin department. So the first filter is going to be on department column, which is, it should be admin. Okay, there's one more thing mentioned, that is, okay, I forgot where clause. Once you put this condition, this is what we are getting. So these are all the employees working in admin department. Okay. Now the next thing is they should have joined in April or later. So we have this joining date column which has date value, okay, year, month, and day. We have to find out only the month value, and it should be, and we have to take those values which is greater than 4 or above. That is, they should have joined in April or later. So how we extract month column? We have seen this before. We just type month and then we write down the name of the column, which is joining date, right? If I am to run this, we are going to get this extra column, which is month and which has the value 6. So if you get look at this date value, this is the month value and we are getting the same, right? So, but this should be in the condition. That is, the department should be admin and they have joined in the month of April or later. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it from here and I'm going to write it down here. And month should be greater than equal to 4. Right. Let's run this. So now we are getting this. But still, we do not need all the columns. We only need the number of employees. That is the count of employee working in this under this condition. That is, they belong to admin department and they have joined after April or in April. And then here I'm going to write down the count. So we are getting 4. Okay. So from our query, we are getting 4. So let's see what is the expected output. So in the expected output as well, we have 4. Let's write down this. That is, it doesn't matter, but it's good to write an admins. Okay, yeah. So yeah, so now let's submit our problem query so that we can see if it is correct or not. So yeah, it got submitted. So our query is correct. So this is how we solve this problem. It is a simple problem where we have to put the condition and we get to the count. Okay. So this is all about today's video. If you get any problem, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this question, you can put that too in the comment section. And this is the last question of easy level question. From tomorrow, we are going to start medium level question. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.